Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Super Tech Hack. As you all know, this is the third part of our Arduino tutorial series, and in the previous part we saw how to control or blink an LED using our Android device and Arduino, and how to interface an Arduino with our Android device. And in this part we will see how to control or blink 4 to 5 LEDs one by one or continuously. So if we are controlling 4 to 5 LEDs, so we need to have how many grounds? 4 to 5 grounds. So here we have one ground here and two grounds are here. You may not have these header pins installed, so you have to solder it as I have soldered. So how many ground we have? 4 here, 5, 6 and 7 ground. So you can control 7 LEDs with this. If you don't know how to interface our Arduino board with our Android device, you can click on this I button. So let's start the third part of our Arduino tutorial series. So first we will make the circuit of this project. So in circuit, as you all know, these all are output pins from 0 to 13. So from 0 to 13 you can install all the positive pin of your LED and negative terminal of your LED on this grounds. So let's make this project circuit. So as you can see, our circuit is completed, and for connecting LEDs with Arduino we have used jumper wires, but instead of these jumper wire you can also use the normal wires. Now we'll write the program to blink these LEDs together. So let's see the programming part. So our code is ready here. Now let me explain the code, and if you don't know how to upload this code or write a code to blink an LED, you can click on that I button. Now first we have to define that in which pin you are connecting the LED. So I have write here INT LED1 is equals to 9. It means that I have connected LED1 in the 9th pin of Arduino, and I have written here LED1. You can write anything that like LED green, LED yellow, LED red, whatever. And in void setup you have to write pin mode, that what you want from that pin. It means that from 9th pin what you want, it is an input or output. So we have to blink the LED, it means that it is an output, we have to write here output. And we have to blink all the 5 LEDs, it means that it is output, so we will write output here. And in void loop we will write digital write LED1 comma high. High means we are supplying plus 5 volt to the 9th pin. Here we have written. In void setup we are writing that what is the mode of pin, input or output, and in void loop will supply or will not supply the 5 volt plus 5 volt in that pin. Now here we have written, here we have high all the pins, LED1, LED2, LED3, LED4, LED5, and we have delayed it for 1000 milliseconds. It means for 1 second. And after that, if we have to blink the LEDs together, so we'll write this program. And after that we are writing here digital write LED1 comma low. It means that we are not supplying plus 5 volt to that pin. So we will upload this program to the Arduino. For uploading you have to click on this arrow button. It is saying that error compiling, file extension is not INO or PD or hex. There is not any error in this program. You have to just copy the whole program, select all, copy, and open new file, cancel all this and paste your program here. Now you have pasted your program. Now you have to upload this program again. Click on this arrow button, compiling sketch. It is showing that Blueno loader, allow Blueno loader to access your USB. Click on OK. Our code is now uploaded to our Arduino board. Now let's see the output of this Arduino. But you can see that we are not supplying current to the Arduino board with our Android device, but we have connected adapter with this. We have uploaded the program in the Arduino. Now we will switch on this adapter. You can see that all the LEDs are blinking together and all are working properly. Now we will write a program to run these LEDs one after another. So let's see the programming part. So as you can see, our program of LED which will blink one after another is ready, and the pin numbers are same, pin mode is same, but only digital write is different. To blink the LEDs one after another, you need to blink only one LED at a time. So you have to write this program, and all the LEDs must be low. It means we will not supply plus 5 volt to some LEDs. And you can see on the 33th number, digital write LED 5 comma high, and on 35 number, digital write LED 5 comma low. We have written digital write LED 5 comma low because if we will not write this, the LED 5 will remain high, or it will remain on in this whole program and it will not blink. So let's upload this program in the Arduino board. Click on this arrow button. Again it is saying that error compiling. Copy the whole code. Select all, copy, go back, open new file, cancel this all, and you have to paste the whole program here. You can see our program is here. Now we'll upload the program. You can see, click on OK. It is compiled now. We'll see the output of this program. So we have uploaded the program in the Arduino. Now we'll switch on the adapter. And you can see the LEDs are blinking one after another with a delay of 1 second. Using this principle, we will make some projects on LEDs. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and if you want more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.